Hey there, welcome back. Today we have USB Type-C to Lightning power adapter which I have bought from Amazon. Let me just open the box and get my charging brick out of this box. This is 20 watts fast charger from Apple. As we all know that Apple is not shipping charging brick along with the iPhone. So you have to spend additional 1900 rupees apart from the iPhone to buy this power adapter. I also have an USB to Type A charger which supports 5 watts of charging. Apple claims that this 20 watts adapter will charge my iPhone 12 up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Now I am going to test this 20 watts charger against my iPhone 12 and check how much time will it take to charge my iPhone 12 up to 50% and also up to 100% of the battery. Before we start our charging speed test, a big shout out to MaxTech YouTube channel, who has done the charging speed test using 5 watt charger, 7.5 QI charger, 15 watts MagSafe charger which is a wireless charger, and 20 watts USB-C fast charger, and provided this graph which you can see on your screen. As you can see, the green line in this graph represents the charging test results of 20 watts fast charger which they have performed. The 20 watts fast charger took 30 minutes to charge 58% of the battery, and it took 1 hour and 45 minutes for it to charge 100% of the battery as shown in this graph. I will leave a link down below in the description for MaxTech channel video. Let's start our charging speed test and see how much time will it take to charge my iPhone 12 up to 100% of the battery. As you can see, battery of my phone is completely dead. Before we start, I will set up a stopwatch so that we can track exact time taken to charge my iPhone. It's been close to 30 minutes and I'll show you what percentage of my iPhone battery has been charged. As you can see that 55% of my battery has been charged in 28 minutes and 48 seconds. Now let's see how much time will it take to charge 100% of the battery. Now we have done with 100% of the charging, which took 1 hour and 45 minutes as shown in the graph. I'll show you the graph again. 55% of my battery has been charged in 28 minutes and 48 seconds. As you can see in the chart, 58% of the battery was charged in 30 minutes. We have similar results here. This took 1 hour and 45 minutes to charge 100% of my battery, and we have exact same results in the graph as well. I wanna give a shout out to Zone of Tech YouTube channel, who also performed a charging test using 20 watts charger with iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro. The 20 watts fast charger charged up to 54% of iPhone 12 Pro and 58% of iPhone 13 Pro in just 30 minutes. I will also leave a link for this video in the description. You must be wondering that when 20 watts fast charger charge more than 50% of the battery in 30 minutes, why does it take more than 1 hour and 15 minutes to charge remaining 50% of the battery? This is because the 20 watts fast charger slow down the charging speed once it reaches the 50% of the battery. Apple do this on purpose. They don't want the battery health to be affected by overheating. As shown in the chart, the 20 watts fast charger provides 18 watts of charging until the battery reaches 50%. Once it reaches 50% of the battery, it reduces the charging speed to 14 watts until 70%. Once it reaches 70% of the battery, again it reduces the charging speed to 9 watts until 80%. Finally, when it reaches 80% of the battery, fast charger will slow down to 5 watts of charging until it reaches 100% of the battery. If you want to buy MagSafe wireless charger, which will cost you 4,500 rupees, you need to buy this 20 watts fast charger additionally by spending 1,900 rupees. Now let's see which all the devices this 20 watts fast charger is compatible with. Starting with the iPhone, this supports iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, comes all the way down to iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. Coming to iPad, this supports iPad mini 6th generation to iPad mini 5th generation. Now let's talk about the Apple Watch. This supports Apple Watch Series 7 to Apple Watch 1st generation. Now let's move on to AirPods. Coming to AirPods, this supports AirPod Max to AirPod Pro, then comes all the way down to AirPods 1st generation. And this 20 watts fast charger will charge any of your iPhone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. I will leave a link down below in description for this 20 watts USB Type-C fast charger from Apple. Thanks for watching this video.